Edsweeneytv here. I'm doing my first bike check. It's taken me 3 times to do this because I'm a driving manager. I've got stock bars, it's a absolute conventional super Velas. I've got stock bars in red, obviously, which is colourblind. I've got a stock stem which is drilled and it's really wide, but I like the top load one, but my mum won't let me get one. I've got an integrated headset which is stock also, which spins really well. It's not stiff at all. And I've also got stock forks. Not everything stock, just keep this one. Right, stock forks, I don't really see much of a difference in forks. Well, this I like it where there's a small gap between the tyre and the forks, but I think that's more your tyre than the forks really. Right, it doesn't hurt your toes when you put jam. Okay, I'm trying to be very clear here. Okay, it's just got like a tiny hole there for a brake, which I don't want. Anyway, I've got Blind Select red wool tyres, which are real good. I think they're better than Fitz because you'll disagree with me probably, but you don't get as much punctures. They're a lot thicker. You can't get them as wide, but they're just a lot thicker. Because you don't get punctures. But anyway, watch me go and get a puncture now in a minute. Right, anyway, sealed hubs with double wall rims. I think it's double wall rim up front anyway, but you know. That's it. I've got some ODI long neck grips, hating, just worn down, horrible. I thought you could wear them down, but you can. Hey, think about that, scooter boys, you can wear grips down. Anyway, stock bar ends. Go to back. Right. Same tire on the back. Blind Select. Got loads of bearings in the back. It's sealed hub again, stock. Seat, it's Federal 2 for Joy seat, which I put on obviously. It's not a Federal bike, it's really comfy. It's like, none of my friends have got seats as comfy as me, because you know, I'm just cool. I'm just cool, so like all my mates. Alright, anyway, hopefully none of them watch this video. Right. I've got DMR V8 pedals. DMR! Oh! They're not sealed because, you know, I'm not spending £8 on pedals. Anyway, stock cranks are fine. Like, obviously the paint's going to wear off them, like they always do. Anyway, I had a DMR sticker on it, but I've gone straight through that with my jeans. 3-piece cranks, sealed bottom bracket. Oh, we got bottom in the frame. Anyway. Real strong sprocket, which is like right thick, and if you land on it, it don't even do all. It's 25/2. Half-link chain on the other side. Half-link chain, which looks a bit gold, but no, it's just silver because I'm cheap. Anyway, not really. I'm really cheap, but you know. It's half-link, as I just said. Freewheel 9.2 freewheel, which it's really easy to ride. It's sealed again, the hub. Spokes. Oh god, my spoke. Oh, listen to that. Brand new bike, this. Oh, it's new spokes. Need to tighten them up. Right. But I haven't buckled the back wheel. The back wheel, it's quite a lot more thin. It's like, I don't know, because like the front ones are proper nice, it's like proper huge. The back one's just really thin, and it's stock. Sorry. Oh god, all good. Anyway, Tetra brake with an Odyssey cable and Tetra brake lever. Think no, that's about it actually. I've got plastic dust caps because I'm not poser. I've got, and where I can actually see what rims these are. They are Alex rims. They are Alex rims. That rim is an Alex rim. How good is that? Hey, I got Alex rims on me, boy. Alex rims. Oh, fancy that. Hey. Anyway, right. I've got a 14mm axle on the back. It's an axle. You know, you need to know what more axles you've got if you want to buy pegs. And a 10mm axle on the front, which I've got to say. I ride in whatever shoes I can find. I've got some Pumas which I'm not wearing yet. I usually wear the Vans or Pumas, so I'll get them out now. So I'll get them in a minute. I'll just show my Pumas because I can't be able to still get my Vans. They're my Pumas. Look like skate shoes, but I use them for BMXing. And they're really thick. They're white, obviously. And it's a bit stained, but you know, white shoes are going to stain. Yeah, they're really good. I haven't worn them much yet because my mum won't let me. See, I'm only a little boy. I've got to do what my mum says. I'm not really a little boy, I'm a big boy. Anyway, black laces, really comfy. Yeah. And that is my bike check. And also my Pumas are only £12.